Hello, this is Sarah Renee Clark, and today I'm going to show you through my digital colouring planner. Now first you might be asking, what is digital planning? Digital planning takes all the creativity and organisation of a paper planner and combines it with the technology to bring you a planner that's easy to use, fully customisable and takes up less space in your bag. First, let's look at what you need for digital planning. You need a tablet. So in this example, I'm going to be using an Apple iPad Pro. You also need a stylus if you want to handwrite like a real planner. So in this case, I'm going to be using an Apple Pencil. You also need an app that can annotate a PDF file. So note-taking apps that can import PDF files are perfect for this. In this example, I'm going to be using Goodnotes 5, which is an iOS-only program, but there are other apps available such as Notability, Zodo, OneNote, and a few other apps as well that are available on both Android and Apple devices. And finally, you need a planner. So I've created this digital version of my colouring planner that you can download on my website, and I'm going to be using that through this video. You can purchase your digital colouring planner at sarahreneeclark.com under the shop. You'll be able to buy the digital and printable combo, which includes the digital file that we're working through in this video, but also includes an optional printable version of the planner if you find that you would just rather write on paper. Whichever option you choose, you can buy either the planner on its own, or for an extra $7, you can add the Essential Sticker Bundle, which is a huge pack that you won't be able to get for this cheap if you buy it later. So add that to your cart and then head to checkout to purchase your digital planner. When you check out, you'll be prompted to set up an account. You don't have to do this. However, if you do choose to set up an account, it means that you'll be able to re-download your stickers or your planner from your account on the website at any time. So I do recommend setting this up. Once you've placed your order, your download links will be available right on the website, or they'll also be emailed to you for later reference. So let's click on the digital planner and download it to the iPad. Because the digital planner comes with so many features, it is quite a large file, so you may find that it does take some time to download on your iPad. An alternative option is to download the files first to your computer and then transfer them to your iPad or your device with an app such as Dropbox, Google Drive, or the iCloud. Because the digital planner is a .zip file, you'll need to use a program to unzip it on your iPad. That's where if you're using a computer to download it first, you can unzip it on the computer and then transfer the files across to your device. If you don't have a computer available, you can download apps that can do this for you. In your zip folder, you'll find 3 files. The Read Me First PDF, which gives you a quick summary on how to use the planner and where to get help. The PNG Page Frames folder, which includes the colouring artwork from each page in a separate file that you can colour like this example in another program and re-import into your planner as a sticker. We'll have a look at that in more detail soon. And finally, your digital planner. This is saved as a PDF file with all of the links already included. But to use all of the other planning features such as adding stickers and writing, we're going to need to open this in a note-taking app like Goodnotes or some of the other ones that we mentioned earlier. There are 2 ways that we can bring our planner into Goodnotes. The first way is using the share button in the top right corner and scrolling across until you find Copy to Goodnotes. This will give the option to import the planner into a current document, or in our case we're going to change the location and we're just going to save it to the Documents folder and import as a new document. Another option is to open Goodnotes, click New, and press Import. From here, you'll have access to your iCloud Drive or your other folders, and you can find your planner and import it from there. Remember, we're not importing the zip file, we're going into the zip file and importing the PDF. Now let's look at your planner. From the front cover, you can click on the different items to quickly access my website help section, the free Facebook group, or the shop where you can get more stickers and accessories for your planner. You can also quickly navigate to the 2020 year calendar, to your contacts page, or to 2 other blank notebooks at the back with these tabs at the top. Once you've opened your planner, there are tabs down the side for each month. These will take you to the month overview, and from there you can simply scroll to the right to see the month planning, the goals, and then to each of your weekly spreads. From every page that you're on, you can click on these tabs to return back to the start of the month, or you can use the tabs at the top to head to those other things that we talked through earlier. There's also a little triangle in the top left corner that will take you back to the very front of your planner. If you're having trouble getting the links working in Goodnotes, you need to check that you've actually got yourself in the navigating mode and not the editing mode, which you can toggle between clicking on this button in the top right. So in the navigating mode, you can't write in your planner, but you can click on the links to go between the different pages. In the editing mode, the links will stop working. You can still scroll between pages, but then you can unlock all of the editing features like the pens, the stickers, the eraser, adding pictures, and everything else. Before we look inside the planner, you can personalize your cover by writing a message on the post-it note or adding your own photo to the phone on the left. If you need to crop it, just click and press crop and you can do your adjustments from there. Heading into your planner, you'll notice here every page has some coloring artwork around the edges. Now this is what I've saved for you in the coloring frames folder. Now it's completely optional to do this, but you can actually color these in a different program like I've done in this example here to give a much more detailed effect and to use all the special effects that other programs offer that are not available in Goodnotes. You'll find each of these frames in your files in the PNG page frames folder. They're all there, sorted by date and categorized by month. And what you can do is open these PNG files in another program and then save them as a copy as a PNG with the clear background. And then you can import them back into Goodnotes just like a sticker. Now I have a whole separate video on how to do this. So please check that out after this video if you want to see how I colored this example and another example in Procreate, which is the program that I chose to use for this to create all the nice effects. Back in Goodnotes, once you've decorated your frames, you can simply add them back in like a picture, click on the screen, and instead of looking in your photos, you can click Insert From and go to that folder where you saved your colored version. And then it's as easy as resizing it and putting it on top of the page. And if you line up the inside corners, the outside corners have a bit of an extra white edge, so they don't have to be perfect. And there you go. One of the things I love the most about paper planners is the stickers. And just like that, you can add stickers to your digital planner. When you purchase the coloring planner, you have the option to add on the essential sticker bundle. Now it's completely optional. You can buy stickers elsewhere, but I want to show you what's included in the pack if you do choose to add on that bundle. Now, each of these stickers includes a printable and a digital version, so you can print them off for your real planner or you can use the digital version in the digital planner. Now, the first set is the coloring set, and as you can see, these match the artwork that's already in the planner. So when you head into one of these, you get a combination of different options that you can use to match your background. And just like the background frames, you can open any of these files in Procreate, color them in, and save them back as PNG files. So let me show you in our planner an example. I've used these stickers in May to extend the background over the top of some of my planner section. So if I'll go to the edit mode, I can show you each of these can move around their stickers, and we can easily add more by pressing our picture icon here, going Insert From, and then going to our sticker folder. There are also 3 sets of functional stickers. Now each of these have the same set of options but in different color palettes. And these color palettes actually come from the color catalog. So in the README file, you'll find the hex codes of each color that's included in the stickers so that you can make your whole page match your stickers to create a really coordinated look. Now, if you're using the split view like I am now, you can actually just simply drag and drop your stickers on the page for a really, really quick way to decorate your planner. And finally, there's the Motivational sticker pack, which includes a whole bunch of nice sayings, a bit of a fake gold foil effect, and some pretty things that you can add to any page to motivate you or to record some special memories. One of the great things about using digital stickers compared to actual stickers is that you can use stickers over and over and over without having to buy them again. You can make copies of them, you can resize them to any size, and it really gives you a whole different level of flexibility and different ways to be creative. And as you can see, you're not even limited to stickers that you buy in sticker packs. You can add any pictures from your camera roll to really add some special memories and make your pages extra personal. As you're decorating, remember to decorate in the same way you would decorate an actual planner. Start with the background and then layer things on top. Luckily with digital, you can copy, move and delete your stickers, but you can't change the order of the layers without deleting a sticker and importing it again. So for example, when you're doing your frames, make sure that's the first thing you do, because if you write underneath and then stick the frame on top, even though the middle of the frame is clear, it's like putting a clear layer of contact over the writing. You won't be able to access the writing or the pictures or any of the other stickers underneath that layer. So start with your frames and then build up from there just like you would in a real planner. And finally, it's time to write in your planner. And here you have two options. Now, if you don't have an Apple Pencil or a stylus, don't worry, you don't have to handwrite in your planner. You can use the type tool and you can pick from any font that's installed on your iPad. You can pick any color, so you can still make it look really pretty. But if you're wanting to go handwriting, you've got the options of a ballpoint pen or a brush pen or a fountain pen, and you can pick any width and any color to write everything you want in your planner. Now it's time for you to jump into your planner and have a fiddle around and try some of the things that we've gone through in this video. If you still need help, remember that you can press the help button in the bottom screen of your planner, and that will take you to my website where you can find more tutorials and guides and videos like this as I create them. You can also ask questions in the Facebook group, where there are plenty of other people who are using this planner and who have come up with different ways of doing things that you might not have discovered yet. If you found this video helpful with the Colouring Digital Planner or with any digital planning that you're doing, please subscribe to check out some of my other videos. I will be over time adding more and more tutorials and freebies and tips and tricks for using your digital planner and even using some of my other colouring products as well. So please subscribe and leave a comment below if you found this helpful or if you have any further questions. Thank you for joining me today.